Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex Tech Support. Today I'll be showing you how to disable tags on Instagram. If people will tag you, you don't want that to be shown on your profile. And if you disable that setting, then somebody will tag you. You will receive notifications in the notifications bar right here on Instagram. And that post will be shown on your profile just if you approve that from here. So that being said, let me show you how to disable those tags on Instagram. We'll have to head straight into the settings. I will reach my profile first, then you can see three lines on the upper right side of the screen. I will hit those, then let's go into the settings and privacy, and now we'll have to head for tags. Should be down, tags and mention is named. I'll leave an arrow on the screen right now if I moved too fast, so let's head into there, and should be the one from the top. As you can see, by default this mark allow tags from people you follow. If you mark the first one, everybody can mark you on Instagram, even if you don't follow them, even if and if you mark the last one, don't allow tags, you will disable that. It means that you'll not receive tags from anyone. And I'm wondering that I have the professional account, maybe because it's telling me that my products won't be tagged in the post. But yeah, I think I have the professional account mark on right now. And there is another one right under, choose who can tag you in their post and videos. When people will try to tag you, they will see if you don't allow tags from everyone, and manually approve tags is marked on off by default. Let's head into that. Tag control manually approved tags. We can hit that, and it means that manually approved tags control every future tag post. You'll be able to manually add them to your profile or permanently remove yourself from them, and also previous tags post won't be impacted. Yeah, we can turn this on if this is what you want, and this is the setting that I'll recommend to go on. Is the last one. If you mark that one, you will enable them manually, and you don't have surprises, some random posts to be shown on your profile. So I really hope I was being helpful with this guide. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button, and as always, don't forget to leave any questions in the comment section. Please have a wonderful day.